I'm Joe Fiore, and this is my Alabama life. At the age of 2, my father gave me a Lionel train set, after which it just sort of was self-perpetuating, and each year I added a little more to it. The actual table itself that the railroad is built upon is 50 feet long and 30 feet wide. There's a few model railroads that are larger than mine, but they have 8, 10, and 20 guys working on them. Everything you see here, I've either built or made or put together. And the closer you look at them, the more believable they are. The effort you put forth in your hobby, you should put forth in your life's work, whatever it is. So basically, I think it's all intertwined together to make us all a better person.